see, I am in my car at the moment and I am actually on my way to my friend's garage where the Husaberg is for the winter. So I am gonna go there and do some disassembling for the first time on the bike, and we'll see how much I can do this time. And also, just to inform you guys, this is going to be the only garage video in a while, because I am actually going to go to the Finnish army in a few days. To be more precise, on the 2nd of January 2017. So as I am filming this, it's the next Monday. So just to let you guys know that I'm gonna be stuck there for a while now and can't do anything bike related or YouTube related really. So I guess the next video after this one will be at its worst in early February, I think. But I'm going to try to do maybe another unboxing video in like at the end of January or something. We'll see. But let's get to the point of this video, which is my Husaberg, and we'll continue the video when I get to the garage. Alright, so I have now arrived at the garage. Here is my Husaberg, of course. And I think I'm just gonna put a heater on and then maybe start thinking about what to disassemble. I think I'm gonna at least take the wheels off and some plastics off and the battery. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what I take off the bike this time. But also I'm gonna show you right now what I picked up from the mail. So another package from China. This one's a little smaller, as you can see, and it's this kind of fuel tank, or well, fuel cap thing. So I think it's really nice for the bike. If you don't know, it's gonna come here. Yeah, so it's gonna look really nice, I think. It cost me like €3 from China. But yeah, I'm gonna put the heater on now and start working on the bike. So now I have removed almost every one of the plastics, as you can see, and I also ripped out these old fork stickers because, well, I'm gonna get new ones, and this is just some kind of carbon tape, so I'm gonna get that out too. But the plastics were really easy to remove, like on every dirt bike. And actually these plastics right here, the handguards and the rear plastic, aren't even gonna go on the bike anymore. So I'm gonna keep these, clean them up and so on, but I'm gonna get a new rear plastic and new handguards, so those won't go on the bike anymore. But now what I thought of is that it would be good for the bike to start it up for the last time before winter. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take the bike outside and start it up for the last time in a few months. Well, it started up nicely for not being ridden for like 2 months. That's good. So I think the battery is in really good shape, and I'm gonna maybe get that out of the bike next with the subframe and maybe the wheels also. So my GoPro's battery started running low, so I couldn't just film everything that I just did. And to be honest, it would have been quite boring too. I just tackled on with these wires and everything. And as you can see, I removed the battery and the ECU, and they are right over there. And there is also everything else that I removed from the bike now. So there's the skid plate, silencer, and the battery and the ECU and some plastics. I also tried to remove this plastic subframe right here. So I took off all of these bolts, but I still couldn't just get it off, so I'm gonna have to Google that a little bit and try again next time. So leaving the subframe on just ended up bothering me too much, so I removed that too. It took me a while, but it was just kind of so jammed on in there, and it had all kinds of weird screws in there, so now it's off too, and I gotta clean up this mess of wires. But I'm gonna happily leave that for another time and just head home now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see on my next one. Bye.